We back in Chicago, vegan food reviews, and today we're at Fry Like an Eagle. Let's start off with the corn dog. Very good breading. Hot dog's fine. Now we're gonna go with the pup and a cup. I got a hush puppy and chili. And we're gonna put on the Ray-Ban Metas, see if we can get a POV on this. So we're gonna try the pup on its own, right? Oh, that combo is real good. Bro, that chili though. So it's like it's chili right down the middle, right? But then it takes a little turn, and it's not exactly like the chili that you used to have. And there's something a little bit different about this one. Very good. All right. Now we're gonna try this. The Atomic Dog. I was actually excited to get this, and I'm pretty excited to try it just to see if it lives up to what I think it should. The Atomic Dog is charred jumbo ballpark dog topped with vegan cream cheese, raspberry jam, fresh jalapenos, Palermo's, I'm not sure how to say that name, but seitan bacon and house-made crispy onions. We already know they went real light on the raspberry jam. I hope that, boy, let me just eat this. I'm gonna get a jalapeno in there too. Raspberry cream cheese. So this is not what I thought it was gonna be, but it's not bad, right? I thought this bitch was gonna be big as hell, busting out the seams, all that shit. No, but it's decent though. And now we're gonna do the buffalo fries. I hope they buffalo fries. Basket of hand-cut shoestring fries tossed in buffalo sauce and topped with our homemade coleslaw. That's what's going on. They got a little buffalo to them. There's buffalo on the bottom. All right, so they were buffalo fries. I just don't know what kind of buffalo that was. It wasn't a hot and spicy buffalo. It was a mild buffalo, maybe a little baby buffalo. Fry Like an Eagle is a relatively new restaurant. I think he said they were only open like a year and a half, something like that. Their menu is constantly changing based on what people like and what they don't like. If you're in Chicago, stop by Fry Like an Eagle. They got hot dogs, fries, smash burgers, chicken burgers. Check them out. That's it for this episode of Vegan Food Reviews, and I'll see y'all next week. Peace.